Today we will learn how to create filters in Gmail to sort and manage all the incoming mails according to your choice. We go to the search bar, and for example, now I want to search for all mails coming from cloudflare.com. So I search for cloudflare.com and I get all my mails coming from cloudflare.com. Now I click the advanced filter option, the small icon, and then I have more options. I select apply the label to this kind of mail from Cloudflare. So I create a new label, name it as cloudflare.com and create. Now I wish to apply this label to all the existing mails, the mails which have already come. So I say apply to the existing mails and create. Now I refresh, and there I have the label cloudflare.com against all the mails coming from cloudflare.com. To check whether it has gone to the respective folders or the respective labels, I go to inbox and look through the labels Cloudflare. Click cloudflare.com and all the mails from cloudflare.com are in this label. So this is how you can manage your emails from any particular sender.